I'm Martin Smale from Prestige Pro Plumbing and Heating. Started off doing gas boilers, heating systems, plumbing, bathrooms. I ventured now into the renewables and I really joined doing air source heat pumps. Ideal changed my mind on the scepticism of heat pumps. You hear in the press about how they don't work and they're noisy, and that's not true. I did the training course with Ideal and we had one in the classroom. It wasn't noisy at all. It was amazing. That was the turning point, I think. I've got on really well with these Ideal heat pumps. They're a nice, easy install. They look nice, they're quiet, and they're efficient. So we're in a little village called Church Crookham in Hampshire. The developers, Langdale, got this property, which was an old dilapidated bungalow, and they've taken that down and built these 4 new build houses. So each house has got an 8 kilowatt air source heat pump, which was spec'd by Ideal. Ideal gave me a list of things that I need: pipe sizing, rad sizing, heat loss, a shopping list basically. When we finished the first house, we had the checklist. Ideal came out and sent a technical engineer to come and do an assisted commissioning, which set up everything that we needed, all the heat parameters, the heat curves, to make their system as efficient as it can be. And now I feel comfortable enough to do the rest on my own.
So the benefit of assisted commissioning, it means that the property gets commissioned properly, especially for engineers doing their first install. Our engineer is able to help and assist and hold their hand through the first process basically. I'd say probably 8 out of 10 of our new installers take up the option for us to attend site and help them on the process, albeit we offer in-depth training courses depending on the knowledge the individuals have, so we're able to give a lot of information through our training classrooms, but actually having an engineer on site to help them on their first install goes a long way.
Ideal have been really helpful the whole way through, from the design stage to telling me exactly what bits I need. The training was brilliant, it was clear, and you got really hands-on with the product, so when they arrived on site they felt familiar. If I ever got stuck, Ideal were only a phone call away, and they've got a dedicated heat pump side, so you don't have to wait in a queue for boiler problems when you've just doing heat pumps. It was really good.